Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. I have a thin strand of yarn before me. That's a 3-ply cotton yarn, and I want to make a thicker fabric. That means I need to work with more number of strands, like 3 strands, etc. So to work with 3 strands, I need not have 3 balls, but I can work with the same ball. I can pick up 3 strands from this. To do that, there is a small trick. Just place your yarn in this manner. And you have the tail end here. Here you make a slip knot. So there are different ways of making slip knots. So this loop we have got, insert your hook into this 3 strands of loop and work as normal. Any stitch that you like. To begin with, let me make the foundation chains. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 I have. Now I've come to the end of this and it's coming. So what you need to do is hold your yarn and pick up the running yarn through this. So now you have 3 strands again, and this is very negligible. It won't be shown at all. So again 1, 2, 3. So I have so many foundation chains. Now turn your work yarn over, and in the 4th chain from the hook or 3rd chain from the hook, make a double crochet. You can work any stitch with this. So I just want to show you how you can make the double crochets too. Yarn over in the next stitch again, pick up, and before this ends, like, you need to pick up again. So it becomes shorter. So what you do is, now you just have to pick up and pull the loop through. Insert the working yarn inside the loop and pull it out. So 3 strands are made again. Your fabric will become thicker. See, the joint has come here, but it is negligible and it will not be visible at all in your stitches. It's not a knot we are making. You've just inserted the working yarn under the loop and pulled it out. It is not at all visible anywhere, you see. So if you feel that, yeah, this is how it is. And you can again, this is the working yarn, single strand. You insert inside this loop and pull. So three strands are made here. Already 3 strands are here. So you go on working in this manner without any hassles. The first one will be little tight. Yeah, insert properly, pick up the loop. Chain 1, turn, make a half double crochet. I worked the double crochet in the first row. Here I am going to work the half double crochets in each of the stitches. See how smoothly it's working. And hats off to the clover hook too. Clover hook helps me work fast. They are very light to hold to, At the same time, I think the virgin aluminium or the material that they have used for the hooks does the magic for your projects. So we have come to the end here. So now pick up, just insert. There is no way that you have to insert from right or left. So 3 strands are made here. See, can you see this? This is how you can go on working with 3 strands of yarn for your projects from one skein or one ball of yarn. So again, chain 3 and turn for double crochet. This is a double crochet. You can make all stitches with this. There is no limitations at all. So only thing, instead of one single strand, you're going to work with 3 strands. As and when you feel that you've come to the end of this loop here, or it's narrowing, just pick up this working yarn and pull through. That is it. That does the magic. And there is no knot made here. Okay, thank you friends. Hope you enjoyed this tip, and do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon. Do like and share a video so that it reaches the maximum number of people. I shall be back with a pattern in the next video. Bye for now.